Good morning. We are Team Enthalpy, and our problem statement is to create a machine learning model based solution to refine CAPTCHA. Imagine seamless online security that's invisible to you but impenetrable to bots. That's what we are building for UIDAI. With 84 million visits just last month alone on UIDAI site, the need for seamless user experience has never been so critical. Our solution runs silently in the background, ensuring accessibility for all users, including those with disabilities. So say goodbye to frustrating puzzles and distorted text. User flow diagram. So this is our user flow diagram and it is divided into three different sections. Firstly, we have the DDoS detection and handler. Then we have the passive captcha. And finally, we have the active captcha. The flow begins when a user requests access for the UIDAI's website. The request handler determines whether it is a potential DDoS attack or not based on parameters like traffic analysis or request volumes. So, what exactly is a DDoS attack? It is a malicious attempt to disrupt a server by overwhelming it with excessive traffic. If it is a DDoS attack, it moves to the DDoS handler, and if it is not, we still have to check if it is a potential bot attack. So we provide it with a passive captcha. In the passive captcha section, we have the environmental parameter extractor, which extracts the parameters, and these parameters serve as the input parameters for our machine learning model. It will predict whether it is a user or a bot. The machine learning model's benchmark is passed, then it is a user and we'll allow it to access the website. Else, if the passive captcha fails to detect a human user, a fallback captcha with minimum interactions offering both image as well as audio options is presented, ensuring accessibility to users with disabilities. The active captcha will consist of a try again loop with threshold. If there are multiple failed attempts, we lower the IP rating and do not allow website access. Else, we allow the user to access the website. In case of a DDoS attack, the DDoS handler will increment the threshold for the passive captcha, enforce the active captcha, and it will also implement rate limiting. We will provide a simple API that can be wrapped into React components and Flutter packages, making it easy to integrate with UIDAI's website. So now let's dive deeper into our solution. When a user makes a request to access the UIDAI's website, it is initially handled by our request handler, which serves as the gatekeeper, ensuring that only legitimate traffic is processed. But how is it done? When the user background task is triggered, our machine learning model, specifically the variational autoencoder, steps in. This model collects environmental parameters like mouse movements, keystrokes, timing patterns, alongside server side data such as IP addresses and network latency. If the passive checks raise suspicion or the VAEs fail to confidently classify the user as a human, our system escalates into a cryptographic puzzle. Bots typically struggle with these puzzles due to limited computational power. On the back end, powered by Fast API, the system ranks the user's IP based on their performance in the machine learning tests and cryptographic challenges. Our SQL database stores essential data such as interaction logs and IP ratings, which assist in real time decision making. In case of suspicious activity or potential DDoS attacks, the DDoS manager also ensures that suspicious traffic is handled appropriately without affecting legitimate users. Feasibility and viability. Our variational autoencoders will be trained on SUAIS PBMAS dataset, which contains human behavior data to detect bots as anomalies by analyzing reconstruction errors. Along with that, user interactions such as mouse, keystroke, clicks are captured from the browser, while server side methods track IP addresses, network latency, and geolocation. All of this helps in comprehensive analysis and add to data feasibility. Along with this, we'll also have automated testing. Our system will be tested using Selenium to validate performance and accuracy. Facts and the benefits: enhanced user experience, eliminating obtrusive captcha increases the engagement with UIDAI's website. Secondly, improved accessibility. Passive captcha minimizes barriers for disabled users, and fallback captcha offers image as well as audio options. Third, of privacy policy. Our solution aligns with India's DPDP Act 2023.